Tho cia mwanya muno ni gucoka na ndirehoka ni urathie na mbere wega. Blogo gwitwo Mwangi Muthiora ni arekereria ndeto ciegie gikuo kia Jeff Mwathi. Ndeto arauga ciauma igoti-ini na ciatiga nyina wa Jeff na maithori muno. Before tutenderithie ndeto ici makiria, muthenya wa ira munene wa borithi Japheth Kome akiaria na andiki a mohoro ni araniriirie ati ni makuroka igoti-ini niguo gwethana na court order mahote guthikuria mwiri wa Jeff Mwathi uria wathikirwo kwao mucii kuria Naikuru thutha wa gukua na njira ya kiriga guku Nairobi, nyumba iria muini DJ Fatso ageikaraga. Blogger Mwangi Muthiora niwe warekereria ndeto ici ati igoti ni riathanite mwiri wa Jeff Mwathi ukorwo githikurio through a court order. Igoti riakorwo rigiathana uguo kuhitukira that court order concerning maria mothe makoretwo magithie na mbere on Jeff Mwathi case. Muthiora arekereria ndumiriri ngukorwo ngikunengereria kuria akorwo akigweta maritwa ma andu makoretwo magiteithiriria kuona kihoto kia Jeff Mwathi makiria gukinyukia ikinya riri ria gukorwo magiethana na court order niguo mahote guthikuria mwiri wa Jeff ni in the process ya gwetha kihoto na gwetha uma. Akorwo akiandika ndumiriri akiuga court gives DCI orders to exhume the body of Jeff Mwathi. Thank you Wakili Kimani and all other senior counsels involved in this matter. Wakili Steve Ogola, I have no words for you. LSK will take briefs for the family. You're such a gem. Akorwo kigweta Human Rights Watch akiuga has reached out and the matter is now solidly in good hands. I have talked with Jeff's mom and though she's in tears, she's happy you are doing this for her son. I hope to meet her soon. I've never met anyone in that family. I've hardly slept trying to seal some loopholes. Later, after I rest, I will tell you why Kasarani DCI officers should be worried. Never use WhatsApp to hide. These will go down with so many people. Hashtag justice for Jeff. Hashtag justice for Brenda will not be in vain. Kogwo Mwangi Muthiora ni akorwo akigweta andu ta Steve Ogola na Kimaniwa Kima aria ni mawakiri akorwo akiuga ni mateithiririe muno kuona kihoto kia Jeff na gukinyukia makinya marumu magwetha kihoto. Ni akorwo also akigweta andu makirwagirira ihoto metagwo Human Rights Watch akiuga ati onao ni mateithiririe muno kuona kihoto kia Jeff Mwathi na akorwo akiuga ati ni akoretwo akithinga marima maingi muno in this case na akorwo akiuga ati ni agukorwo akinengereria andu ndumiriri kiria gigukorwo gikugwa kuria Kasarani police station kuria kuhutithanitio na ikuo nyingi irakorwo ikimention as suicide but later DCI yagikorwo ikiambika uthuthuria ukorwo gukimenyekana something was done and it was just not a case of suicide, ni murder. Make sure na turn on your notification na subscribe niguo hindi ciothe twarekereria video gagukinyira. Thank you for watching. Tucemanie in our next one.